Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some honey balsamic chicken. So let's get started. First you will need some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, honey, sugar, rosemary leaves, and some garlic. Next, I'll be seasoning my chicken with some salt, pepper, and other ingredients. Do keep in mind that you can find the full ingredients on my blog, which you can find the link in the description box below. Next, you're going to go ahead and marinate your chicken for a couple hours. I did mine overnight. Next, I'll be seasoning my baby potatoes with some olive oil, salt, and some pepper. So here you have it, some honey balsamic chicken. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Take care.